What if, this Christmas, you could save over $1,500, feel calm instead of stressed, and still create a beautiful, meaningful, magical holiday? Today, I'm sharing something truly special from Earth Gift Wonders, the ultimate minimalist Christmas how-to bundle. And if you've ever wanted a Christmas that feels intentional, eco-friendly, and affordable, this is for you. This is an exclusive 3-in-1 premium Christmas bundle, plus an eco-friendly checklist, plus 2 free bonuses, all designed to help you create an amazing Christmas without overspending. Perfect for families, teachers, minimalists, eco-conscious shoppers, and anyone who wants a beautiful Christmas that actually feels good. This bundle can help you save over $1,500 this Christmas alone. And here's the part that blows my mind. That's $15,000 in savings over 10 Christmases. Less clutter, less stress, more memories. This bundle combines 3 of the most in-demand Christmas guides into one powerful system, plus an eco-friendly, sustainable Christmas checklist to help you save even more. First, the DIY and Homemade Christmas Gifts Guide. Various handmade gift ideas, a minimalist crochet ornament pattern, spa in a jar recipes, personalized memory booklet instructions, teacher and family gift ideas, experience coupons, kid-friendly crafts, eco-friendly, gift wrapping tips. These are gifts people actually cherish, and many cost a fraction of store-bought gifts. Next, the DIY and eco-friendly Christmas Decor Guide. You'll learn how to decorate beautifully using natural, low-waste materials, including dried orange garlands, nature foraging-inspired Christmas decor for your home, Scandinavian minimalist decor, greenery pieces, candle cozies. This guide transforms your home without harming the planet or your wallet. And this one is the game changer. The Christmas on a Budget Minimalist Guide and Planner, designed to help you save up to $1,500 this season. It includes a step-by-step budgeting system, spending caps per person, money snapshot worksheets, gift, food and decor trackers, scripts for talking to family about budgets, low-cost traditions, and a post-Christmas reset plan. This is how Christmas stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling intentional. You also get a sustainable Christmas checklist for the minimalist with 10 money-saving eco sections, smart shopping hacks, gift, food, decor, and budget strategies. And you don't just get the guides. Bonus has shown a free Christmas word search perfect for families, classrooms, homeschoolers, and holiday fun. Bonus, Stein, 5 decorative Christmas patterns. Use them for gift tags, wrapping accents, scrapbooking, crafts, planner pages, printable art. Clean, modern, festive, and completely free. This bundle isn't about buying more. It's about saving more, stressing less, and creating memories you'll remember for years. Handmade gifts, cozy traditions, a calm, meaningful Christmas. If you want to save $1,500 this Christmas and $15,000 over the next 10 years, this bundle is for you. Make this the Christmas that changes everything.